In this video, you'll learn how to turn off chat history in Claude AI so your future conversations aren't used to build memory. I'll walk you through where this setting lives, what it actually does, and how to make sure it's configured the way you want. Let's start by opening Claude in your browser or on your mobile device. The first thing you need to do is get to your account area. On desktop, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. It might be a small circle with your initials or a generic avatar. Go ahead and click that. If you're on mobile, the layout is a little different. Instead of the bottom left, your profile icon will be at the top right of the screen. Tap that icon to open your account menu. No matter which device you're on, clicking or tapping the profile icon is your way into the settings. Once the menu opens, look for the option labeled Settings. Select that to open the main settings panel. Inside the settings area, you'll see several categories that control different parts of your Claude experience. For this tutorial, you want to go into the section called Capabilities. Go ahead and click or tap Capabilities to open those options. Within the Capabilities section, you'll find different controls related to what Claude can do and how it behaves. Here, you're looking for a specific toggle called Generate Memory from Chat History. This is the setting that determines whether Claude creates and updates its memory based on your conversations. Take a moment to find that option. It should appear as a labeled toggle switch. When this feature is turned on, Claude can analyze your chat history to build a memory of relevant details like your preferences or ongoing projects. That can be helpful for continuity, but if you prefer not to have your conversations used this way, you'll want to pay attention to the state of this toggle. Now, look closely at the toggle itself. If it appears enabled, that means the switch is currently on and Claude is allowed to generate memory from your chat history. If you want chat history not to be used for memory, you would switch this off. If you intend to keep memory generation active, you would leave it on. At this point, make sure the toggle is set the way you prefer. If you want Claude to keep using your chat history for memory, confirm that the Generate Memory from Chat History toggle is switched on. If the toggle already appears on, you don't need to do anything else. Your setting is already in place. After you've confirmed the position of the toggle, you can simply close the settings panel. Your changes, if any, are saved automatically, so there's no need to look for a separate save button. That's all there is to it. You opened your profile menu, went into settings, navigated to capabilities, located the generate memory from chat history option, and ensured it was switched on according to your preference.